So guys, for the first method, make sure that your drive is properly connected. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to reinsert or reconnect your USB or your external drive. See if that works. For the next method, you want to try a different USB port or cable. For the fourth method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, we're going to expand disk drives. And now you want to find the drive that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then click on disable device. Then you just want to right click on it again and then you want to re-enable it again. You could also try to right click on it and then click on uninstall device. And once you've uninstalled your drive, you want to go to action and then click on scan for hardware changes, which should now reinstall it again. See if that works. For the last method, you can shut down your computer. Once your computer is turned off, make sure that your drive is properly connected and then you can turn it on again. See if that works. If that's still not working, for the last method, once you're back on Windows, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows, and now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.